One unoptimized photo can be 5 megabytes. Let's see the real, honest fix that cuts it by 80%. Images are consistently the single largest category of real bytes downloaded on a typical web page. Missing alt text, the wrong file format, and no size attributes are common, genuinely fixable mistakes. A real, descriptive file name and alt text are free ranking signals most sites simply never fill in, and none of these fixes change what a visitor actually sees, only how much they have to download to see it. This real image tag has no alt text at all. Google's image search, and any screen reader, has genuinely no idea what it shows. This one real attribute tells Google exactly what the image is, a genuine, direct signal for image search ranking. A single unoptimized real photo can genuinely be 5 megabytes or more before any compression is applied at all. Converting the exact same real photo to WebP typically cuts the file size by 80% with no visible quality loss. Without real width and height set, the browser doesn't know how much space to reserve, which is exactly what causes layout shift. These two real attributes let the browser reserve the correct space immediately, before the image even finishes downloading. A generic real camera file name tells Google absolutely nothing about what the image actually contains. A real, descriptive file name is a small, free signal about the image's content before Google even reads the alt text. Real images below the fold don't need to load immediately. Lazy loading genuinely defers them until the visitor scrolls there. Next, the duplicate content problem, quietly splitting your own rankings.